In this video, we are discussing about the presentation of data, second part, tabular presentation. Tabular presentation, another name is how in the presentation of the table, whatever the data we have to present in the table, that is tabular presentation. In the process of tabular presentation of the is data is organized in row and columns. This process is known as tabular presentation. The method used is known as tabular presentation, presenting data from an account and determining it. Next, you can see like the tabularization is a systematic presentation of numerical data in rows and columns. It is designed to simplify the presentation and facilities analysis. Such presentation facilities comparison by bringing the related information close to each other and helps in further statistical analysis and interpretation. So tabulation is one of the most important device for presenting the data in the condensed and comprehensible form. So now we are discussing about the components. Before components, I will to discuss about the objectives of the tabulation. What are the objectives? Uh, why we are convert the data into tabulation? First thing is that to simplify the complex data. If we are arranging the data in the table form, one side we have to write the name, other side we have to just give the figures regarding to that name or regarding to that particulars. So it is easy to understand. Even the illiterate person can even understand that thing. To the or second thing is that when we are presenting the data in the tabulation form, the space of the things is this also is small or compact, you can say. To the facilitate comparison, it's also aim to facilitate quick comparison among the observation by presenting the data in a tabular form. To facilitate the statistical analysis, tabulation aims to facilitate statistical analysis as it is a phase between the classification and presentation of data. To provide the reference also, first if we want we can give in the tabulation. So that is the thing, tabulation is very important, and it is tabulation procedure is easy. Sometimes it is making a time, but when we arrange or classify the data into different classes according to the similarities and dissimilarities, well, the tabulation is a process, it is tabulation will show it very easily. And what we have to do, we have to just use the components of the table to make a table very easily or understanding it. Following are the principal components of the table. Table number, first of all the table is to be numbered. These number must be in the same order as the table numbers facilitate location. The table, for example, table number 1, table number 2, table number 3, likewise that. Then we have to give the title, suitable title according to the according to the data that we have collected. The table must have a title. The title must be written in the bold letters. The title must be simple, clear, and short. A good title must be reveal the problem under the consideration, the time period of the study, space of study, and the nature of classification of data. A good title, shorts but competent in the respect. Head notes, if the title of the table does not give a complete information, it is supplemented with the head note. Head note completes the information in the title of the table. The unit of data is preferable expressed in lakhs, crores, tons, etc. and expressed in the bracket as a head note. Stub. Stub are the title of rows of a table. These titles indicated information contained in the rows of the table. Caption of the title given to the column of a table. A caption indicates information contained in the column of the table. A caption may have a subhead when the information to the column divided into more than one class. Body of the table means the sum total of the items in the table. Thus, body is the most important part of the table. It indicates the value of the various items in the table. Each item of the body is called the cell. Next, we have to write the footnotes. Footnotes are given to the clarification of the reader. These are generally given with the information in the table need to be supplemented. Source. When the table are based on the secondary data, means we have to take the data from some other sources. So we have to write in the in the footnote specified. We have to specify that from where we have to take this data like that. So here is the format of the table. Format of a table, table number, title of the table, head note, then stub head. Means what here we have to be use the stub here. Stub row heading. Whatever the row heading is there, we have to write here. Then cell means we have to put the information here. Caption with subheading, whatever is there. The whole thing, this is the whole thing, it is called the body of the table. Footnote and source is given here. Footnote, if anything you want to give the information regarding the table, you have to write here. And where the data from where, if you have used the secondary data or we have to take data from somewhere else, so we have to write the name of the source from where we have to take this data. Format, this is the format of the table. Next, we have to discuss about some more things of the table. So let us stop discuss some more thing. Means you can discuss about the requestings of the goods table. Good table, what are that? We have to discuss in the next video regarding that. So you have to be, whenever you are making the table or collecting the data, we have to make the table in this way. It is quite easy and understandable for all.